Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 2:44 p.m. I thought it's been, long, and on Sunday when I was conducting my webinar, many of the members said that you are not doing Nifty analysis. So I thought let me do Nifty analysis today, and I'm sure you have all have joined my Telegram channel. There you get the breakout stocks, you get the different levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can observe them and take a call from there, right? You get the stocks on the breakout just for the learning purpose. So guys, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, let me take you there and just show you, and then we'll go on and understand about Nifty. My Telegram channel, and this its name is Stock Pro, and you will see, we talk about Nifty levels, the Bank Nifty levels, and the various other stocks. And today we had Gale on our radar. We had 3 4 banking stocks, but they didn't somehow had a breakout. And I was definitely expecting a kind of breakout in them, but it didn't happen. But I'm sure. So we had this Gale on our radar. See how beautifully it is just heading up. It has already given our target. I've given 246 point. I'll show you what I gave. I gave the first target for Gale as the first target for Gale was here, somewhere here. Here, this was the 247, right? Our first target for Gale was 247 here, right? And we've already achieved it, right? And so this is how you will be able to find good trades over here, but you can definitely take a call once you analyze it yourself, right? So of course I had many other stocks on my radar. So I'm saying that please, go for my Telegram channel. You'll be updated about various things out here, time and again. So, and there are different courses that we have launched. You can go for any course that you want to learn about the market, and the cost is very very reasonable. The courses that we have launched, the cost of those courses is extremely reasonable. And if you all can, whenever I talk, I only hear from people that they're losing good money in the market. Somewhere just in one stock they're losing 30,000, 40,000 rupees. So these are the 3 courses that we have: Nifty training, positional course, and the intraday course. So you can go for anything that you want. But anyway, today my agenda with you guys is to analyze Nifty, right? So even in the morning, every day in the morning, I'm giving the Nifty levels, right? So what are those levels? Just let me show you the Stock Pro levels. So for us, the Nifty opened somewhere here at this point, right? Where did Nifty open? It opened at 10630. So our level to buy for it was at 10,660, right? This is where our buy would have been initiated, right? Our buy could have been initiated at this point, right? At this point, when the volumes the candle crossed our level, right? After that, Nifty went up to this next level, which is this level, 10,686. Then it went up to 10,712. And the peak that it has made today is 10,730, which is about 8 points below our level, right? So, and then if you notice here, Nifty is time and again experiencing a resistance from this level. It's going, let me just remove the drawing and then I'll explain you what I'm trying to say. So see here, Nifty went up straight, then came down, then went up, right? Then came down, then went up, and then again a little bit of consolidation. So it's kind of a triple top that Nifty is making, right? And let me just show you something more about Nifty today. So probably that'll make us understand a lot more about Nifty. So see here, Nifty has made a beautiful double bottom, right? See here, one, two. It's a skewed double bottom, but it's a pretty nicely shaped double bottom. Now, where is the hassle? What is the problem? Why Nifty is just struggling? Because it has a very, very important level at 10,712. It has to cross, and it has to form a candle, you know, above it, and then it has got a very huge resistance at about 10,720 in futures, right? And that's the hassle. That's why Nifty is not being able to move, right? Now, something that I want to show you here more. This is our another level. Uh, Let me just make it bigger. See here, this is 200 moving average, right? This is 200 moving average. Nifty had a great struggle here to cross it. So it struggled at good about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candles means about 2.5 hours Nifty struggled to cross this barrier, and then it went up, right? But look at this candle. Look at this candle out here. A big price rejection, right? A big price rejection that Nifty faced. So there is some indecisiveness right now in the market. There is something which is really, really, is troubling Nifty, and that is why it's not being able to go to the next level, right? But once it crosses that with huge barrier, huge, so Gale is further heading up. Gale is further heading up. It has crossed our T1. Now I'm hoping it to head towards T2, right? So what I was telling you here, that Nifty has to cross our level of 10,038, 738. If it crosses that, then Nifty is definitely in the uptrend, right? Otherwise, there could be a profit booking, because see, it's almost 3 times that Nifty has tried to cross this level and it's failing to cross. And if it crosses, then only Nifty will be able to make a headway in the upward direction. Now let's look into what's happening in the option chain, right? So the option chain is, there's a huge call writing happening at 10,700 level. That means that looks a little difficult for Nifty to cross. And then, I mean, let me see what's happening on the cash front. Like this, I'm looking at the futures. What's happening in the cash market? The cash market is also 10,708, right? And then let's see what's happening on the put side. So there is heavy put writing at 10,600 level. Let me just refresh and see what's happening further. So there is no call writing here, right? So, and there's a heavy put writing on this side. So that means, what looks to me, at looking at the option chain, that there could be an upward swing that may come, but only condition I'm putting here is Nifty has to cross this level of 10,730 in the futures. If Nifty crosses this level with volumes, then Nifty is definitely heading up, right? Nifty is definitely heading up. And the next level that you can think about is 10,738. If 10,738 is crossed, then definitely it's heading towards 10,760. These are the levels Nifty can be experiencing. But in case Nifty fails to go across this level, then what will happen? Nifty definitely will come back to touch 10,686. If Nifty breaches that level, right? If Nifty goes below that level, then it will come down to level of 10,660. But right now, Nifty seems to be picking up the momentum, right? Nifty seems to be picking up the momentum, right? So I had granules on my radar. Look at the beautiful run-up granule have taken, and look at the Gale that has taken up a run-up. Also, I want to show you, I had SBIN on my radar, but I think there is some news in the SBIN today. It has not given me a breakout, but definitely, if not today, then tomorrow, I'm definitely expecting some kind of a breakout here. All right, so the struggle in Nifty is still on, right? You can see here the buyers and sellers are almost equally strong, right? So let's see. So according to me, what I'm telling you, what I'm predicting right now, if Nifty goes above 10,730 in the futures with volumes, then it'll head up. But if it does not cross this barrier and it somehow comes below 10,712, then Nifty will have some kind of a profit booking. Although we are just about to be very, very close to the market. Market, is going to be closed in another 30-35 minutes. So anything is possible, right? So guys, take care of your money, take care of your finances, and learn about the market, because I feel it's a very, very nominal cost that we have for our courses. Like the biggest course that you have. In fact, rather, I want to tell you here, that people who have joined my one course, they are joining actually all the three courses. I mean, they first join one course, but then they join the second course, then they join the third course, because they're finding it so very meaningful, right? I'm really, really looking forward to see you all there and learn about the market, so that no one is in the losses. And as I have told you again, everything that I do, whether I make a video, whether I make a, you know, I conduct classes on a Sunday to answer your questions, or I do, anything, the underlying objective of everything is that you guys have to have profit. So wishing you all the best, and wishing that you all have green portfolio every single day. I'll close my today's video and we'll meet tomorrow. Definitely I have a very, very important topic to cover tomorrow, so wait for tomorrow. See you there, and hopefully we'll have a wonderful learning session tomorrow. Take care. Good day. Bye bye.